Fast Fashion PSA by Miguel. What is fast fashion, you may ask? Well, fast fashion is the increase of rate of production of more stylish and trendier clothes. It is the decrease in not only price, but quality of garments too, and is unfortunately the rise of clothes being thrown away more often. How does fast fashion affect aquatic life? Well, we can start with microfibers. Microfibers are microplastics that come from pieces of clothing. Over 700,000 microfibers are released into the ocean per wash cycle. Every time you use your washing machine, tiny microfibers are sent into our sewage systems. These sewage systems contain water filters that filter out dirt. But because the microfibers are so tiny, these microfibers are able to get past these filters. Afterwards, they're able to go into our ocean, which then invade the food chain, and invent and eventually the fish around that live in the ocean eat these microfibers. This can cause them to have aneurysms, respiratory problems, and excessive egg production. Not only this, but some of the fish we catch, we eat, and so when we eat these fish, tiny microfibers will be in our bodies as well. Toxic chemicals and fertilizers are another problem caused by fast fashion. Toxic chemicals and fertilizers like pesticides are used, which endanger the quality of water and soil around the land. Aquifers, rivers, lakes, and wetlands are all affected by this, decreasing the biodiversity within these ecosystems as it may kill the sources of food many animals need to live. What may cause fast fashion? Well, things like social media trends and marketing drive people into buying clothes at rapid speeds. For example, if your favorite celebrity or favorite athlete wears certain pieces of clothing, you may want to wear those pieces of clothing too. Well, to add, many of these brands are cheap and yet still maintain good, decent quality. There are many brands like Shine. There's also better convenience and accessibility. Unlike before, we are now able to order clothes with just a click of a button, making it easier for us to buy many pieces of clothes at the same time. How we can stop fast fashion? Well, first off, we can use slow fashion. Slow fashion is the opposite of fast fashion, as instead of just making clothes and selling, companies may use their time and actually create good quality and reusable clothing. Change how we wash. We can use things like eco mode and lower temperature on our washing machines. We can also use full washes. This means filling our washing machines up to the brim. It means not putting small pieces of clothing when washing at a time. Hand washing clothes is also a way to prevent microfibers from getting into our oceans. Circular fashion. Circular fashion is when models of clothing are thought thoroughly and manufacturing and production is considered just as important as when it is thrown away in the design. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope with this information we may help spread awareness so that we may stop this issue one step at a time. Thank you for listening again. Have a good day. Bye.